Excuse me. Are you okay?
Want you?
Who are you talking to?
Sorry?
Who are you talking to?
Listen, me, I talk to my virgin.
Do you know he's a dog?
What do you mean, do I know if he's my dog?
He doesn't understand you.
What do you mean if me no know say my dog? This is my brother. This is a family. You understand? Why the fuck you come and come this sweat thing?
He's a dog.
What do you mean say my dog? Explain that. Explain that. No, because this is not a dog. This is my brother. This is my virgin. He understand everything me I say. Me time to tell people, you know, this is a murderer, you know. You don't know the pre already. One link never stink. You see that? You see that? My dog this.
He's a dog and you're a man and you're talking to him like he understands, and I don't think he understands, darling.
Take yourself and go suck your mother. Come to my face. Come to my face.